Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the U.S. state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM unlocking of a mobile device in order to be able to use it with a different carrier or different network other than the one that originally sold it. By default, most mobile devices these days are going to come with some sort of lock that restricts them to only being used with the original carrier, and they have to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be used with a different carrier or a different network. Now, here with us today, we happen to have a Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and this is a device that is originally from T-Mobile here in the US, and this is a device that has not yet been SIM unlocked because we have a different carrier SIM card inserted, and in the notification panel here, we can see that we do indeed have the message that says that it is network locked. It says we're not allowed to use this SIM card, and it says to use this SIM card, unlock your phone in settings. And so T-Mobile has the spot in the settings if you go under the connection section that is titled Network Unlock, and it tells you what the current status is, and then it gives you the option for unlocking it. So that's how T-Mobile controls the unlock process via all of their official mechanisms and everything. So they will do it for you if you meet all of their requirements. So what they generally require is that you be the original owner of the device, that it be fully out of contract or fully paid off, and that you also have the device active with them for a certain number of days, and I forget exactly how many that is. So we've been contacted by tons of customers over the years asking us to assist them with this specific issue on this specific model, usually either because they themselves wanted to change carriers away from T-Mobile before they satisfied all of T-Mobile's requirements for doing the unlock for them, or because they purchased the device used from a dishonest seller who didn't tell them that the device was still locked. The seller would have claimed that it was already unlocked or that it was already eligible to do the unlock through T-Mobile or something like that, and then after the purchase, the buyer got the phone, found out that it wasn't true, the seller had long since disappeared, and it's a very common scam that unfortunately happens probably thousands of times a day all over the country when it comes to buying buying and selling used mobile devices. So we're making this video to demonstrate to any interested customers that we do offer a service to be able to get this model unlocked without having to go through T-Mobile and meet all of the requirements. It's actually something that we do directly to the device while it is plugged into a computer, and that's actually what we're going to be doing right here, right now, while it's plugged in here, just so that everyone can actually see the before and after status of the phone. The great thing about this procedure is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world, so you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely connect right to your computer through the internet and perform the exact same procedure that we're doing right here, right now. We are currently running our unlock program here on the phone. It looks like we need just about another minute or two to go ahead and finish that up. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the rest of the video just so we can keep this as short and sweet as possible, and so we can get to the end and see the final results. So just hold on while that runs through. Okay, we should be all finished up here. So we're going to go ahead and just pop that SIM card back in there because I had to take it out for the unlock procedure. Give it a minute here to let everything kick in. You will notice right away that we no longer have that network locked message in the notification dropdown, so that is a very good sign. While we're waiting for the signal to kick in, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the settings just to show you exactly what we are working with. So under About Phone, we can indeed see that we have an S20 Ultra, of course with the 5G capability, and then that model number there, the G988U, that is the model number for pretty much all of the US versions of the S20 Ultra, no matter which wireless carrier it originally came from. Looks like our signal bars just kicked in there up top. So if I go ahead and slide down the notification panel here, we do indeed now see here down at the bottom that we are registered on Cricket's network. They are a prepaid provider here in the US that runs on AT&T's towers, and that is indeed the carrier of the SIM card that we have inserted. So if I jump under SIM card status here, we can indeed see that we are registered on Cricket. We're connected to our mobile network. We've got our LTE set up and everything is all set to go. So this device has now been fully SIM unlocked and is totally usable with any other compatible wireless carriers. So if you have an S20 Ultra originally from T-Mobile and would like us to get it SIM unlocked for you, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all of the contact details there also. Make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on our channel while you're here, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. While you're here, make sure to hit that subscribe button to be notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we're doing with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.